everybody, I am super excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun summer box, which means it's summer. I'm trying to get in the spirit. I have a love-hate relationship. I got some summer nails for you guys. My nails represent how hot it gets in the LA Valley. I have my box right here. It is fully unopened. We are gonna unbox this together and see exactly what is inside. If you are somehow unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, quick little info on them is they are a seasonal box, so they have spring, summer, fall, winter. It's not a typical beauty box because they don't do like typical makeup. They do skincare, some beauty, hair care, fashion, fitness, lifestyle, even homeware. The box retails for $49.99, but it's normally worth over $200. Today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun. They did send me this box. So if you are new, they gave me a coupon code. It's just BB10. It's not like an affiliate code, but it gives you $10 off. And the last big new news is they are now in the UK. So if you've ever watched these unboxings and you live there, it is now available for you. And these boxes are customizable. So every box is a little bit different depending on what you pick. So this is just what's inside my box. I just opened up my box. Let's start going through it. The first thing that catches my eye is this jewelry item right here. I've been really into like dainty gold jewelry, so I'm hoping it's my style. If not, these are always great things to like break apart and give as gifts. Oh, it is dainty gold. Oh my God, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it on right now. It is Jennifer Zeuner. I just really can't pronounce stuff. Jewelry. This is it on the tightest setting. It's definitely not a choker like I thought it was. It's more of like a drapey layering piece. Next up, we have this eyeliner from Eyeko London in black. Very interesting. This says it features wide lash, a conditioning triple peptide complex designed to enhance the appearance of eyelashes. So I don't know if this is one of those like babe lash or grande lashes, but I've never seen it incorporated into an eyeliner. Next up, from Grace and Stella, never heard of them, we have a Spray All Day Rose Spray. This looks like something I would see at like an Urban Outfitters. I wonder if this is sold there. This is a hydrating rose facial spray, and it says use 4 to 5 sprays before or after makeup, so let's try it. Ooh, wow, this is big. Let's give it a little try. It's a good, ooh, it starts right away. Oh yeah, it smells just like straight up roses. It's very kind of like the, oh, who makes it? You know the rose spray I'm talking about. It's by, I'll put a photo of the one I'm thinking of. I'm totally drawing a blank, but it smells exactly like that, and I really love the other one, so excited to use this in the summer. Next up, we have, this looks so serious. It's called Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science. So there are little pieces in it, but they're not scratching me at all. I almost feel like this is a mix of like a chemical exfoliant and a bead exfoliant. And the scent smells very much like one of those like holistic organic spas. Next up, we have the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I actually own the full size of this, and then I also bought like this size version, but the green one, to try that one out. I've been using it for travel. I love this lotion. I love the smell of this lotion. It is a strong scent, let me tell you. You're gonna smell like tropical coconuts. I wore it when I was in Vegas, and I was gambling at the table, and the dealer was like, what's that smell? And for her to be able to smell that with like everyone around me like smoking cigarettes and then pumping so much oxygen so no one gets drunk in Vegas, it's strong. I also got another product from the same brand. This is something I have never tried. I didn't even know they have this. It's called the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. I wonder if this is just a shower gel or if it's something that would be good for shaving your legs. I'll have to investigate. I'll let you guys know, but I'm already a big fan of this brand, so I have high expectations for this. Next up, we have a face mask from Generation Clay. It's called the Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Mask, which leads me to believe that it's purple. Okay, it's kind of that like taro ube purple. It's not a bright purple, but it is purple. I've been clearing up my acne recently, so unfortunately I'm left with some acne scars, and I know brightening products tend to get rid of those, so I'm gonna give this a go and see if this can help my skin, because needs help. Still clearing up the acne, but we got 10% left. Next, I got these little, you can barely see them, Invisibobble hair ties. So they're the hair ties that aren't supposed to rip out your hair, and it's supposed to really grab that soft, fine hair, which is what I have. Wow, it actually does have a really good grip. I've just been using scrunchies to not add like a crease in my hair, but these might work better. Next up, from the brand Whish. I have not heard of this brand. It's an exfoliating foot mask, coconut milk and verbena. I honestly don't take the best care of my feet because I only wear like sneakers and boots. I don't think I own a pair of sandals, so maybe I will now. Maybe I'll start giving my feet some summer love. Next in my box, we have another facial brightening treatment, but this time it looks like a sheet mask, and it comes with, oh my god, is it 4 or 5? 5. I'm just a fan of anything that's like a sheet mask or a peel-off mask. Those two are my go-to. And guys, that is everything that was inside my box. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you like these unboxing videos, make sure to give today's video a like. And if you use any of the products that I was new to inside my box and you have an opinion, I would love to hear your thoughts. Leave them in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!